rather than worrying about is the mic's on, the settings good, and all that. I did a video last week or the week before. I didn't have the mic on and it's so much wind noise. So today I'm mic'd up. Another day in paradise. Another day in paradise. Is that the saying? Okay. And people that don't know, this is Melbourne, Australia. Hopefully we might see a kangaroo sometimes in these bushes. You might see one or two running around. Some afternoons you do see them, but today nothing at all. But anyways, let's enjoy the view. Nice and quiet. Some nice townhouses out here. Yep, on my left. So anyone's watching from States or Canada on that side of the world, in here we call them townhouses, not units. Units are separate things. If I see one, I'll show you. But those ones we just passed, townhouses. And talking about electric vehicles, there's a big demand for BYDs down here in Australia. I think mainly it's a fear-driven subject to talk about, because the fuel prices is going up every day pretty much. I think this afternoon when I went for a drive, had to go to the shops, buy some stuff. It was a liter of 91 unleaded fuel. That's the typical standard fuel you put in your car. It was a $2.49, so it's $2.50. Which literally about 6 weeks ago I remember filling up the tank about $1.80, $1.70. Even COVID times in 2020 used to be around, I think at one point it was like 150, then it went up. It went up to like 220. Some might enjoy the nice and quiet, like this video right here, which is just checking out the neighborhood, going around Melbourne. Few birds down here. It is around 5 p.m. which is exact 5, which is that's why there's a lot of traffic on the road. So all the people that's 9 to 5, it's time for them to go home. After like 4:30, the roads pretty much goes into chaos. There's a little family gathering down here. It's a nice statue. So what we will do, we will check out this side. There's not many people on the road, well, on the pathway, because it's still a bit too early to be walking. Swimming place. Yeah, this is only for kids. Looks like some construction's gonna happen down that way. Yeah, over there. We'll go left. We'll go left and cross over to the other side. Then come around. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Whoa. Check it out. Nah, I was wrong. I was saying there's gonna be construction down that way, but it looks like just grass and soil stacked up. Not much happening. Okay, it's just a playground. That might be conservative land, not protected from all the buildings going up down this way. What we will do a U-turn down here and we head back, because I'm still trying to get all the settings right, all the shakiness and everything when I go to state, so I can just take it, press record, and everything's clear. There's someone over there walking the dog. Yep. They're coming. No, they're not coming this way. Alright, let's check out down this way. It's a little bridge. Check it out, check it out. Not much happening. Go this way. And down there, more townhouses. I think this guy coming across over there. I don't know if you caught it on the radio, video, but let's go, let's go, let's go. It's getting busy down here now. All right, back into the bush. Whoa, nice doggy down there, black one. Usually on the weekend there's people playing cricket out here. Today not much. People enjoying, relaxing. There's a bird down there. Looks like a cockatoo. Some of these birds in the bush might be, one of those rare birds. Check out the view, right? Nice and clean. I think all these areas is been maintained by council, it's the local government, for for these suburbs. So it's a beauty salon there. So on the way back, we go from the opposite side. This is the one we came from, and we will go back on the one after. So once this car goes, we go back. All right, check it out. See, like I said, traffic's building up. It's literally like it's been 10 past. I've been on the road like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you can see how many cars coming in. It's another nice area to go down on. See, these little gym equipments, I think these are done by the council, and it's just to help out the people, in the community to get a bit of exercise. It's like a windmill kind of thing there. I don't think it works. There's some fruit on these trees. I don't know if you can see. Looks like plums. Oh. See them? Looks like some plums, green plums. And this is where we came from. This is a little section for the kids to play.